Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys. This video was previously recorded and I am just now getting around to doing a voiceover. This was me getting ready for the new year. I was also taking down Christmas decorations in this video. I hope that you guys enjoy anyway. Definitely do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. So much has been going on and I still wanted to get this video out to you guys. So this will be a speed clean. I won't be doing too much chit-chatting, but I will be sure to have as much information down in the description box as I possibly can. And yeah, I'm going to start off in my bedroom by changing the linen. I'm going to dust in here as well as vacuum, and then we're going to move downstairs so we can start taking down those Christmas decorations. And if this is your first time here, then hey girl, welcome. My name is Nina and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's get started, guys.
Get out my bed if you've been unfaithful. Yeah. Pack all your things and bury our label. Yeah. 'Cause baby, I won't take you back. Yeah, you know my heart don't work like that. Take what I said, throw it like a baseball. No, never had no trust issues. Never had to break the rules. Always trying to tell the truth and care about what I say. I've been trying to do my best and keeping my promises. Never want a second guess, but when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. Hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. Never had no trust issues. Never had to break the rules. Always try to tell the truth and care about what I say. I've been trying to do my best at keeping my promises. Never want a second guess, but when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight.
Alright guys, so now that the countertops are wiped down and I've gotten up as much glitter as I possibly can, guys, I absolutely love Christmas decor, but the glitter can be so real. Let me know down below if that is also your struggle. So I'm going to be moving on to tackling the floors, and they really needed a good cleaning. So I am going to be vacuuming as well as using my steam mop, which I still am obsessed with, and it is always linked down in each and every one of my cleaning videos. But the cleaner for the floor I am going to be using is the Bruised Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. I have been using this product since we moved into our house and I still love it. It is definitely not a product that I have to use all the time, but when I want to add that luster back into our floors, this is definitely my go-to. I use it sparingly, like literally guys, every blue moon, and I just spray it directly on my floor, and I use my steam mop. You do not have to have a steam mop to use this product, but that is just how I use it, and it does wonders. After I use this product, I can go months and months and months before I have to use it again. So I just wanted to throw that out there just in case you guys were wondering what I was using. It is still that Bruised Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. No, our floors are not laminate or hardwood, they are vinyl, and the product works just fine.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you
Alright girls, so I am going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. I hope that you all enjoyed. All I had left to do was start taking down everything in the living room, which was a whole nother task, but it did all get done in the same day. At this point, I just needed to stop and get something to eat and just sit down for a bit before I kept going. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up, and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.